Good day, everybody. J7409 Sky News here. Time now 7:53 Eastern Daylight Savings Time. The 8 o'clock for update from the National Hurricane Center has come in. That's why I'm doing this right quick now. It's not going to be lengthy in detail about everything before. This is mostly going to be about the track. And the track has changed again. Yes, once again. This is going to change so many times, people. The best that I can tell you is like from the eastern seaboard all the way down to Florida. Be ready for whatever may come your way. This is the European model, and the consensus between this and the GFS, they put them together. They make the TCVA model, and that's what the track is that you see from the National Hurricane Service. We'll get to that in just one moment. Okay, this is Thursday, and it's the European model. I've set it for Thursday at 12 noon, and we will move it on up. You're going to see how it's going to move. Here's Friday at 1 p.m., Saturday at 7 a.m. in the morning, going across. Remember I said I thought the Bahamas were going to get nailed? Well, it moves south enough that it's going to go right underneath you, okay? You're still going to get some of the effects. You're still going to get some wind. You're still going to get some rain. But the eye doesn't look like it's going to go right over you at Saturday morning at 7 a.m. So we'll put it up to 9 o'clock Saturday night. What's happening, folks? There's a high pressure that's coming down this way. And the high pressure is what either is going to push it off and keep it away from everybody, or it's going to go across and the timing's going to make the track go different. And that's what's happened. The timing is different. Sunday at 8 a.m. in the morning, you know where you live. As you see before, it was going right through Florida. Well, now the eye is off the coast of Florida at 8 p.m. Sunday evening, the 10th. At 2 a.m. in the morning on the 11th, it's off the coast of Florida. Now, look, we're all still going to get rain and some wind to some degree from this, okay? But be glad that it's showing it's not a direct landfall hit. Okay, Monday at 12 noon, it's moving on up. Monday at 7 p.m., it looks like it's grown some and intensified some. And I would imagine probably if this forecast stays together, there will be hurricane warnings all up and down the East Coast here, from Florida all the way up, probably to Wilmington, North Carolina. Okay, it's midnight on Tuesday, between Monday and Tuesday. This is midnight the 12th. It looks like it's going to be coming in maybe around South Carolina or North Carolina again. We're going to have to wait and see. Tuesday at 11 a.m., landfall is beginning to happen. We'll make this just a tad bigger right quick. And when we do make that bigger, we can see that the eye is in South Carolina, just down below Florence. I'm not going to get into winds and pressures and all that. I'm just trying to show you the track right quick. Okay, here's a 9 o'clock Tuesday the 12th night. The eye is up around Raleigh. The storm has diminished. I will get into some pressure here at some point right quick like to show you guys. As you can see, here it is. Wind. I'll get beat to death with wind. All of this area, this is the dirty side of the storm. This is the wind. Okay, I'll get into wind gusts and all that stuff in another video, but this is more or less to show you the track. We'll go to Wednesday at 2 a.m. in the morning. The storm has moved up. It's right on the line between Virginia and North Carolina. And as far as I can go, it's 6 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. And it's looking like it's diminished down to just a tropical storm or maybe a post system. So that's a quick update for you. I want to show you one quick thing. Okay, here is the track, and this is the one, the TVCN I tell you about. This black line is the one to follow. It starts to skirt the coast of Florida, and this has got it on the 11th, which is a week from today. A week from today. Okay? One more quick thing I would like to do is take this off so I can show you something else. When it's going across Cuba here, or up above Cuba, it will have 125 mile per hour winds. Okay? So you need to keep that in mind. And it did look like somewhere right along in here it was going to intensify, so we all need to keep that in mind. This is mainly about the track, and with the 8 o'clock edition, how it has changed. This is what it's looking like it's going to do at this moment. I'll keep updates coming up as best as I can. Okay, everybody, don't be afraid, be prepared for the whole eastern coast, because this is up in the air. We all know these change from forecast to forecast. So please, nobody get caught short. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Please be safe. Take care of yourselves, and know I really care about each and every one of you. And I thank you so much for everything you helped me with. Have a great Labor Day.